In terms of a quick overview of the work that the team went through, the overall process that we'll be working on is the understanding that strategy drives what it is we need to measure. Once you understand the strategy, we can break that down to the individual goals that make up each strategic objective. The goals themselves are supported by critical processes, activities, be they processes or projects that the organization does to create those outcome goals. Those processes themselves have specific output measures that contribute to each of the goals. And in fact, there are key activities within those processes that themselves have specific process measures. The purpose of this first week of work is to deal with the front end of this value stream, taking a look at the strategic objectives and the strategic goals. The next phase, phase 2, will worry about measuring the drill down or the process activities. The overall schedule is this. We're going to identify the strategic objectives goals, then identify what each stakeholder needs within those goals, because the stakeholders' needs are different, whether it's an internal or external customer, senior management, and so forth. We then need to develop a list of indicators, and we're going to do that in 3 different ways. Zero-based, without consideration of what's currently collected, what's available in the organization, how we currently measure it. Secondly, what do we currently look at? And third, what are best practices? And from there, we'll select the measures that we would choose to use inside the organization. Finally, we need to take some thought about how the actual reports might look. The schedule for these activities is roughly along this line.